Hello there, house hunters. I wanted to stop by and give you a video tour of my listing here in Lakewood. If you're looking for a large house that has an ADU, this would definitely be the place for you to be. It's 8704 Southwest Custer Road here in Lakewood. It is a 4-bedroom, also has an ADU. So let me give you a little bit of a tour. Just love that entry gate. But here, nice big yard, plenty of space. Let's go take a look and head inside. This takes you down to the family room, a couple other bedrooms that can be used as guest quarters. But let's go take a look here. Here's the entry. We've got a nice large living room. Takes you into a huge galley kitchen. Nice gourmet gas stove. Large refrigerator. So you head in here to the bedrooms. This one currently used as an office, but you actually have got space for a office and bedroom. Really some good flex space, or another home office upstairs. You've also got the master bedroom. With the master bath. Get a little deck out to the hot tub area. Take you back where you can head downstairs. Getting downstairs. It's got a nice kitchenette. This is the place for the upcoming Super Bowl party. Get into the bedroom. Bathroom behind. Nice large family room. And then another bedroom in here as well. So that is just the quick tour. Online there is a great 3D walkthrough, so you can take all the time you need to wander through the house. I'll actually head on out too and show you the ADU. Also, you've got over here on the way out to the ADU, huge yard for parking, whatever toys, cars, adventures. You've got a 2-car garage with a little workshop area, but also a total of 5 covered parking spots. Here now we're entering into the ADU. Fun loft space, but then you also have your, of course, bathroom and kitchen. So whether this be a family room, rec room, party room, or again, uses a great little studio. A lot of good flex space. So thank you for taking a tour with me. Any questions, don't hesitate to give me a call. Phone number is 253-442-3322. 253-442-3322. All right, look forward to talking to you guys soon. Take care. Bye.